Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase social media followers with Facebook ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your target audience. Identify the demographic details you want to focus on, such as age, location, interests, and behaviors. Use Facebook Insights or Audience Insights to gather data on your current followers. Choose the right ad campaign objective that aligns with increasing followers. Select engagement as your campaign objective for maximum reach. Create a visually appealing ad that represents your brand effectively. Choose an eye-catching image or video that resonates with your target audience. Craft a compelling ad copy that encourages viewers to follow your page. Use a clear call to action, such as "Follow us for more updates." Set your budget and select the duration for your ad campaign. Choose between a daily budget or a lifetime budget based on your needs. Utilize A/B testing to compare different ad variations for effectiveness. Launch your ad and monitor its performance regularly. Check key metrics such as reach, engagement, and follower growth. Adjust your targeting or ad content based on performance insights. Consider retargeting users who engaged with your ads but didn't follow. Analyze your ads' click-through rate and conversion rate to gauge success. Continue refining your strategy by experimenting with different audiences and ad formats. Create a consistent posting schedule to keep your new followers engaged. Utilize insights gained from the ad campaign to inform your future marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.